do you have to go to court when you file bankruptcy? The answer to that question is yes. About 30 days after your case is filed, you will have to meet the bankruptcy trustee assigned to your case. Now, there's no judge present, and the hearings tend to be somewhat informal. What happens is the court will schedule about 8 to 10 people for the same half-hour time slot. A trustee might go through 50 or 60 cases in a day with about 8 to 10 people per half hour. So the typical meeting with the trustee might last 2 or 3 minutes. Now, some cases are more complicated, and the trustee will ask additional questions, and the hearing might go longer for those cases, but typically 2 to 3 minutes is what you've got. The trustee is going to want to see your photo ID, your driver's license. The trustee has to verify your Social Security number, so bring something like a Social Security card or a tax return or a W-2 with your full number on it. The trustee also has to verify how much money was in your bank on the day your case was filed. So you're going to want to bring your bank statements with you to court. Typically, you want to present those statements to your attorney about a week or two before you go to court, so we can send that to the trustee, and certainly bring those statements to court as well. Now, a trustee is trying to verify that you listed all of your assets, all of your property, all of your income with the court. And if your case is properly prepared, that hearing should go through very quickly. However, if your case is kind of sloppy, if the case actually presents more questions than answers, the trustee is going to dig a little bit and try to figure out if everything is accurately listed and if there's any omissions that need to be corrected. Bankruptcy hearings are conducted in big open meeting rooms, so you're going to have the opportunity to see and hear other people go ahead of you, and you'll get a good feel of what that experience is like. People worry about going to court, but I must tell you, after coming out of the courtroom, they realized it was a lot simpler than they thought, and it wasn't something they should worry so much about. If you have questions about these hearings or bankruptcy in Nebraska, please call us at the number below. We'd be happy to answer your questions.